How to delete photos and videos from Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Telegram. Now tap on the source icon and find downloads. Now keep holding the photo or video you want to delete and click on delete. The next thing you can do is tap on the three lines, go to settings, go to data and storage, scroll down and tap on delete all cloud drafts. Also one more thing, you can go to file manager, tap on device storage, find Telegram, go to download, search for Telegram. Now select the photo or video you want to delete. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.